Say hello, Cheyenne. Say hello, Mr. Gimli. What was Cheyenne doing? Cheyenne likes to sit up here. And then, of course, she has a nice view into there so she can do parrot watching. Huh. She says, "Come, some cats do birdie watching, I do parrot watching." Oh, good kitties. Now see, why can't you act like that all the time? I hear you, Dante. Peekaboo. He's a funny boy. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that. He just said it again. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Of course, he never says it when I want him to. Right, Gimli? Where's Mr. Cass? Is Mr. Cass in his bed? No, Mr. Cass is not in his bed. Let's see. Where's Mr. Cass? Is he way up on top of the cat tree? Oh, he is. Hello, Mr. Cass. How you doing? Says you just disturbed my nap. What's Gimli say? Gimli says, oh, he says, I'm thinking I want to snack. Hey, hey, hey. See, that's typical Cheyenne behavior. He says, all I wanted was something to eat. Huh. Mr. Cass, with his new tag. When he has a tag with a name on it. Huh? What about you, Rocky? What does Rocky have to say? Hmm? What does Rocky have to say? Oh, he says, Mama, you're keeping me awake. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I bet you get up for a treat. Huh? Oh, I see your ears move. Oh, he says food? Food. He says, I likes food. Yes. He says it's one of my favorite things. Huh. He says it's the next favorite thing to me than my mama. He says whatever room my mama is in, typically I'm in that room. Oh, now you're going to show everybody your belly? Show everybody your belly. Woo! And your teeth. Oh, show them that smile. Show them that smile. Look at those big truffers. Look at them. Look at them. He says, I don't care. He says, I have my own tag too. He says it has a little heart with a paw print. And it says Rocky. AKA rock and roll on the other side. And he says, I've got my nifty new holiday collar on, so I'm ready for the season. What you say, Rocky? Are you happy, boy? He says, just shut up and rub my belly. He says, that's all I'm interested in. Okay, well, I have to go because I have to rub Rocky's belly, so I'll talk to you all later. Good night. I hope you guys are having a wonderful evening or day, or depending on wherever the hell you are. So I'll talk to you later. Much love. Bye-bye.